adults
mobil
as well, fellow Malaysians,
apa?
to actually
Malaysia.
witness
Buatan Malaysia.
what it's like being in the parade and to
Ya.
receive our young
Itu
people Tuan Agung, the
mencontohkan
process, the processes.
mencontohkan
We will
kepada
bring
orang-orang raja aja pakai
everything
mobil
alive
Proton.
to you as well.
Correct.
Iya.
Now, as we
Keren.
await our
Widih. Wow. Keren betul. Kalau itu sedikit bisa tabrakan itu tadi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di Indoriek TV. Masih bersama saya Bang Anton dan
Kak Devi yang nanti cerita.
mantap.
Indoriek TV.
Nah, masih dalam belum lama dari kemerdekaan Malaysia ya. Tanggal 31 kemarin, berapa hari ini? Sudah 3 harian ya.
Ya,
Nah, kemarin tuh ada parade. Karnaval kebangsaannya. Jadi ada ya kayak parade gitu. Nah, kita akan lihat itu ya nanti ya, kemeriahannya seperti apa. Parade National Day ini ya, parade Hari Kebangsaan. Kita akan lihat, tapi sebelumnya untuk teman-teman yang berada di Malaysia dan sekitarnya jangan lupa beli Pak Leh Peskari. Ada Peskari ayam, ikan, daging, kambing juga ada. Peskari instan ini tinggal dimasukkan ke dalam air aja guys. Yang sedang mendidih tinggal dimasukkan ikannya, ayamnya, dagingnya, kambingnya. Sudah jadi guys. Ini murah banget dan enak banget guys. Ordernya di TikTok Shop Indoriek X Rio atau di Shopee atau di kedai-kedai terdekat juga ada guys. Mantap, pengantaran dan pengirimannya langsung dari Malaysia. Oke, ini karena panjang, langsung aja kita lihat ya tanpa berlama-lama lagi. Yuk. Indoriek.
And right now we are awaiting the royal arrival of
ini
His Majesty
rajanya nih.
Sultan Ibrahim, King of
Malaysia,
Malaysia, and of
Sultan
course
Ibrahim.
accompanied by Her Majesty Raja Zarit Sofia, Queen of Malaysia.
Sama Ratu.
This is also a good opportunity.
Ini dia pakai mobil
for
Proton.
our younger generation, even for adults
mobil
as well, fellow Malaysians,
apa?
to actually
Malaysia.
witness
Buatan Malaysia.
what it's like being in the parade and to
Ya.
receive our young
Itu
people Tuan Agung, the
mencontohkan
processes.
kepada orang-orang raja aja pakai mobil Proton.
To you as well.
correct.
Iya.
Now, as we
Keren.
await our arrival, as Ari mentioned, we also
Ini kenapa presenternya nggak pakai bahasa Melayu? Ini kan hari kebangsaan Malaysia. Langsung malah pakai bahasa Inggris.
If you wanna skip the jam, skip the mess, just go park at Putrajaya Central. There's feeder buses running every 10 minutes, and it brings you directly into the heart of the
Oh,
parade. You're
ada.
not gonna have to do much
Jadi dia tuh
walking,
sengaja
just make
kayak
sure you find a
di
good parking
sebuah
at Putrajaya
studio
Central.
Studio ini namanya Putrajaya. Kamu tahu Masjid Putrajaya yang pernah aku datengin itu loh, yang Masjid Pink itu. Nah, di sini nih, di Putrajaya nih. Memang pusat pemerintahannya di sini. Gede
Very
banget.
simple, guys. Very affordable as well. So they've made it very easy and convenient for Malaysians to come and join us here at Dataran Putrajaya.
Truly.
Yeah.
And it's not just the feeder buses from Putrajaya Central. There are also some, I would say, water-based ferries as well carrying people. So depending on where you would be parking
Apa
your
Malaysia
vehicles
ini
around
ini guys ya, apa bahasanya sudah nasionalnya sudah pakai bahasa Inggris apa? Bahasa nasional. Atau cuma TV? Ini kan TV
Now, of
dua
course,
padahal.
maybe those of them at home they fear in terms of road closure, or they may be stopped by
Walaupun memang harus
heavy traffic as well heading here. But right now, you guys,
menginternasionalkan bahasa
we will be
sendiri
bringing you
harusnya.
all the live updates as well, even if you're not
Harusnya.
able to head down here. Now, this is once again
Proton.
our royal arrival of His Majesty Sultan
Keren ini
Ibrahim,
pesannya guys ya.
King of
Raja aja
Malaysia,
pakai Proton.
and
cuy.
accompanied by Her Majesty Raja Zarit Sofia, Queen of Malaysia. Now this angle, tell us about that, Daryl.
Yeah, so this is, I think, being taken from one of our special angles. But if you really want to be in the
Keren
thick of it
Proton.
all, ladies and gentlemen, all you have to do is download RTM Click onto your mobile phone, and you'll be able to basically join us here virtually
Rame
via
banget
the
ya.
app.
Yes,
If you have
and-
3D goggles, sorry, not virtual.
Panjang
3D
loh tuh
goggles, virtual
jalan
goggles.
itu
And
sana
just to also
Putrajaya.
share with you, this is
Memang sengaja apa
actually
kayak
an amazing,
gede lagi ininya, jalanan.
amazing perspective to witness that our Royal Highness, His Majesty Sultan
Arriving.
Ibrahim, King of Malaysia is actually driving our local Proton Satria Neo 2
Itu sendiri. Iya.
parade.
Nggak
Truly
perlu
a
supir.
remarkable
Iya, keren. Nggak
view
perlu
and
driver ya.
experience to be able to witness this ourselves. Of course, once again, he's accompanied by Her Majesty Raja Zarif Sofia, and shortly he will be taking their steps for the royal
Raja
salute
nih,
and
Raja
royal
Malaysia.
honor.
It's such a humbling moment to see this.
Tuh, itu
Let's
Perdana
enjoy this
Menterinya
moment,
aja
ladies and
tunduk.
gentlemen.
Anwar Ibrahim tuh. Ini tuh. Perdana Menteri Malaysia. Tuh. Perdana Menteri di bawah raja. Yang mengurus pemerintahan. Padahal ini kaya betul loh ini. Ini kan Sultan Johor itu.
Wow.
Anaknya aja
Kenapa anaknya?
yang punya klub JDT itu. Putra mahkotanya. Kaya betul itu.
Anaknya laki-laki.
Lagi-lagi.
Berapa anaknya?
Nggak tahu aku. Lupa. Nah ini apa? Lagu kebangsaan Malaysia, Negaraku. Wih. Apa itu bendera apa satu? Penyambutan dulu dia. Ini kayaknya tentara-tentara kerajaan ini. Kayaknya. Iya, ini tentara Royal Army ini. Tentara kerajaan yang pakai baju gitu.
Bajunya beda ya.
Iya. Daulat tuanku. Rapi betul ya. Itunya aja tingginya sama rata gitu. Ini aja pakai bahasa Melayu, presenternya kok pakai bahasa Inggris. Aneh-aneh presenternya ini.
Biarin sih. Aku memahami dari gerakannya aja.
Jenderal-jenderalnya kayaknya di depan.
Jalannya aja berdiri.
Iya, jalannya aja berirama. meja ke itunya. Oh, dia tadi tuh muter ini tuh beri hormat.
Dengan meneruskan acara Kongku.
Mohon berkenan meneruskan acara katanya. Wih, nah itu tuh gedung-gedung pemerintahan semua itu. Ini kayak IKN Putrajaya itu. Jadi pusat pemerintahan kan IKN, tapi nggak jadi kan sekarang. Tapi Putrajaya memang betul pusat pemerintahan. Jadi kantor-kantor menteri, office-office pemerintah di sana semua terpusat dia jadinya.
Jadi satu
Tempat, satu wilayah. Enak. Rapi betul di sana. Rapi banget. Bersih, rapi, gede lagi jalannya. Ada danau yang juga di sampingnya. Itu tentara itu bisa sama tinggi gitu loh.
Iya, itu dia benar-benar kayak depan itu sama
Iya.
belakang juga agak tinggi tuh. Kan?
Daulat tuanku itu orang itu. Itu kayaknya menteri-menteri itu.
Tadi tuh baru penyambutan.
Iya, penyambutan aja tadi. Hampir jatuh ibu itu.
Terjatuh, ibu.
PM-nya di samping Perdana Menteri.
Berbarisan keluar kawalan kehormatan utama.
Iya.
KKU. Oh, ini marching band-nya.
And right now we're starting off with the consisting of a total of 45 people. Now this actually stands for Pusat Latihan Muzik Tentera Darat, or rather Army Music Training Center,
Tentara
and it's actually
Daratnya.
led by Lieutenant Khairul Anwar. Now this is actually the official music of the Malaysian Army, and they serve as a
Official
central
music.
institution
Music of
training
Kenegaraan
music,
Kontingen.
many of which are sent overseas.
That's right. And we also have the contingent of the large Jalur Gemilang flag bearers. This
Jalur
is
Gemilang.
from the
Nama benderanya itu Jalur Gemilang.
Academy from
Bendera Malaysia.
NM as well. That's about 100 people
Coba
down
kita
there
merah putih kan,
carrying
ya, mereka
the
Jalur
big
Gemilang.
Jalur Gemilang.
Yes, I believe it's 80 feet by 40 feet.
That's right.
Jalur Gemilang
40
as well,
feet.
marching across the
40
whole
kaki.
of box. Amazing to see a mix of our national security, I would say, departments
Wih,
and
tentara
organizations
cewek-cewek nih.
coming together to bear the large Jalur Gemilang flag. And coming to you right now, this is actually the SMK
SMK.
Seri Garing
Band.
led by a drum major Siu Ting Tao. This is
Siu
actually
Ting Tao.
a brass band, a uniform body in their high school. And one notable
High school,
achievement is that
sekolah.
they actually
Jadi sekolah-sekolah
managed
dulu.
Iya,
to
sekolah-sekolah
win
dulu
a
ini.
medal recently for the World Championship marching show in 2011. Amazing to have high school, I would say, students and the younger generation joining us.
And on screen right now, we've got the contingent of Jalur Gemilang flag bearers. There's about 100 plus people there as well. This is led by Captain KRS
Banyak ya?
Lukman Al Hakim bin Muhammad
Banyak yang
Tames
ikut. Ini memang
from
benar-benar kayak
SMK
parade gitu.
Putrajaya.
Pawai.
That sea of Jalur Gemilang is just blowing in the breeze. Really does send a sense of pride to all of us.
Ini apa? Oh, ini bendera negeri-negeri Malaysia nih.
And right now on your screens, you're actually witnessing the Victoria Institution Band, consisting a total of 50 members. Now, this band was actually established
Itu
in
tuh, bendera-bendera
1909,
negeri-negeri di
the
Malaysia.
oldest school marching band in
Jadi setiap negeri itu ada
Southeast
rajanya.
Asia. And lately, actually, just recently,
Cuman
they managed
dipilih
to
satu
garner
menjadi
the
Raja Malaysia.
overall champion for
Setiap
the
berapa
senior
tahun sekali gitu,
parade
lupa aku.
category under 2024
Pilihan gitu
ya,
dari raja-rajanya
Ya,
itu.
ada raja-raja seluruh negeri dipilih satu untuk jadi
Quite a feat to achieve.
Terus yang
raja
sudah
paling tinggi.
Terus yang sudah dipilih itu nanti yang negara itu dipilih lagi. Bisa kan?
Kayaknya bisa. Kayaknya sih. Enggak, tetap merangkap dia. Jadi ini kan kayak Raja Johor, Sultan Johor jadi Raja Malaysia. Masih tetap di Sultan Johor. Tapi dia Raja Malaysia juga.
Kalau ini Sultan Johor ini.
Ya, sekarang. Johor sekarang. Sebelumnya tuh Sultan mana lupa aku. Kalau salah koreksi ya guys ya. Kalau nggak salah saya ingat aku gitu.
Here is one of our exclusive for 2025. This is the ASEAN float that you're seeing here because we are the ASEAN Championship for this year. This is the ASEAN 2025 Championship contingent coordinated by the Ministry of Foreign
Kepengurusan
Affairs,
ASEAN.
led by
Oh.
YM Raja Saiful Ridwan. It's got about 107 civil servants from various ministries marching through the square right now. And of course, you've got the 20 representatives from ASEAN and Timor-Leste embassies. And of course, on the float,
orang-orang ASEAN.
ASEAN flags on it as well. And the theme for this year, I just want to highlight, is inclusivity and sustainability. That's the theme that Malaysia has chosen as the championship. And we're going to be seeing a lot of that theme, inclusivity and sustainability, throughout the rest of the parade as well, Ari.
Wah, ini pakaian-pakaian ada nih.
And right now you're witnessing on screen also a new addition with the ASEAN contingent. It's actually the Visit Malaysia Year 2026
Visit
contingent.
Malaysia.
A total of 120 participants and 16 trishaws representing state icons and
State
paramilitary icons as well. Now this is of course coordinated by the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture led
sudah pernah kita reaction ini, baju-bajunya.
Showcasing the flora, the fauna, the ethnic
Tapi kan ini lebih banyak.
Iya.
traditional musical instruments. Now this is of course welcoming
Duren,
the
duren.
world to visit
becak nih.
Malaysia 2026. Now once again,
Becak
you can
nggak ada
see
lagi di Malaysia nih.
specifically decorated.
Waktu aku KL nggak ada becak.
Ada kan waktu kamu itu kayaknya ada
Di Malaka itu. Di Malaka. Itu pun di tempat kayak tempat tempat wisata.
And over here we have
Kayaknya nggak ada lagi deh
the
becak.
Jalur Gemilang Independence Expedition
Bukan.
Contingent. Ladies and gentlemen, these guys went all over the nation to 88 checkpoints, right? Flying our Jalur Gemilang, inspiring patriotism in all Malaysians' hearts. I mean, a round of applause for these guys.
Bukan,
88
Marching of
checkpoints.
Rakyat
You've
Contingent.
got to be passionate to be able to pull off
Bukan.
something like that. Not just passionate about being on a bike, but passionate for your country as well.
Riding across Malaysia. Now that is also an amazing experience for them to go along and around Malaysia and to meet all the nation of Malaysia as well.
Kebetulan
Now
uang
we're
simpanan
moving
pekerja.
to our economic
Ada ya?
and private sector
Uang simpanan
contingent,
pekerja.
starting with the employees provident fund. Now of course they are made to know for
Kayak
promoting a financial literacy
kumpulan
and
uang simpanan
independence.
pekerja. Kayak di sini apa ya? Itu loh, bukan asuransi apa yang tiap bisa diambil waktu kamu itu NPWP. Apa namanya? BPJS.
Oh,
Their assets, yeah, so that you can see on screen that
Iya,
was one of
mirip-mirip
their,
itu ada nggak?
mobile trucks, their roving trucks.
Kan itu simpanan juga.
Very, very cool.
Amazing, and they also offer on-the-go counter service. Now, along with some of the, I would say, economic and private sector contingent under social well-being and people's cluster, you notice the Permodalan National Berhad, PNB, or
Permodalan
rather
Nasional
National
Berhad.
Investment Corporation, a total of 75 packs along with 3 of their mascots,
That's right.
Along Anga and Achi, and
We've
yeah.
got the SOXO team as well out here, the Perkeso or SOXO Social Security Organization with 75 packs carrying their portable beach flags.
Yes, and
Setiap itu ada di sini, ikut semua. Setiap
ngumpul di situ ya.
Setiap bukan perusahaan, ya perusahaan negara gitu.
And right now, actually, what you're witnessing on screen is actually the
LSDN
The LHDN float.
float.
This is the one that Elena was mentioning that she saw earlier on.
Yeah, exactly. And this actually highlights My Invoice, which actually aimed at educating and promoting the implementation of e-invoicing throughout Malaysia as well.
My Bank
And,
itu.
right now,
Kayaknya perusahaan-perusahaan negara sama perusahaan-perusahaan punya negara sama menteri-menteri sama
economic and social development
Iya.
sama tentara-tentaranya nanti ikut semua.
CIMB,
Maybank, Public Bank Group as well. It's nice to see all these banks come together. I mean, in the business world, sometimes they can be seen as competitors, but today, during Merdeka, we're all here as Malaysians.
Yes, and you also have
AKPK.
the AKPK Flora from the
Sahabat
Credit
Keuangan
Counseling and
Rakyat.
Debt Management
Oh,
Agency
AKPK.
with the theme of financial well-being at every stage of life. They put a people-first approach as well along with other banking and finance
Tapi dia nggak itu.
companies that
Cuma
are
jalan dari
joining
ujung sana ke ujung
race.
sana aja paling.
Now we've got the
Panjang.
economic and social
Tapi panjang juga sih.
plus the city construction and
Lama juga tuh
services sector.
jalannya.
This whole contingent consists of 465 packs, starting of course with the flag bearers, Malaysian flag bearers,
Malaysia
company flag
Madani.
bearers, contingent leaders. We have the YTL
MRCB.
Corporation, UEM Group Berhad, MAHB, MAG, FGH, and of course MRCB as well. You can see the MRCB float on screen right now.
MRCB.
MRCB Float, just to highlight to you guys, they're actually showcasing iconic projects that connect people, green cities, and symbolize progress, innovation, and unity as well. Amazing to see the various floats along with their next economy, communication, and innovation for the people cluster. And we have, once again, just to highlight to you, the MRCB float, as I was mentioning, as we move to our next sector. Yes, as you're witnessing on screen, we have the Tenaga Nasional
Tenaga
Berhad,
Nasional
and we
Berhad.
also have a mascot as well, along with four-wheel drive EV Nexus. We
EV,
have
ini mobil-mobil
There's the
listriknya.
mascot we're talking
the
about.
mascot,
Yeah.
Falcon DG, and the Dynacon is making another experience at the Maxis as well.
Dynacon, of course, backed by popular demand from last year.
Yes, and along with we have
Petronas.
the Petronas contingent, U-Mobile organization joining in under the cluster.
Semudah dia.
Amazing to see, and right now we're actually moving to a little. Yes, I know you can see some
Panda.
pandas on your
Oh,
screen.
ini
as
ininya
the
kayak
Focus
GoFood-nya
Technology,
Malaysia.
Innovation and Human Capital
Panda itu.
Development Cluster. So amazing.
Ultra
to see
5G.
many of
Wah, di
these
sana Malaysia sudah pakai 5G semua.
Yes, that's right. We've got ST
Kalau kita
and Marty
masih
Corporation,
4G
yeah,
itu pun
representing
masih
our food resources
dah lah.
management. We've got Mr. DIY over there.
Mr.
DIY.
we have the Malaysian
Ada.
Oh, Mr. DIY itu punya Malaysia ternyata.
Here we have the Grab. You can see the Grab contingent on screen. They're of course, they're of course trying to highlight that. They're trying to go green as well. Again, this is where we're talking about our chairmanship as ASEAN, where we're trying to promote sustainability.
Truly, and
Banyak betul Mr. DIY di sini, guys. Aku baru tahu kalau itu dari Malaysia.
Iya, banyak. Itu tuh yang NCM
Yes.
yang tadi tuh yang punyanya apa ya? Itu tadi NTM kasih itu tadi kayak
Ownernya. CEO-nya mungkin.
We also have Bernama, Mr. Global Berhad of My TV Broadcasting.
Bernama. Pernah aku ke Bernama itu. Di interview di Bernama.
Along with the whole
saja
bus,
kan.
an asset of Astro with some recognizable
Bukan, kayaknya menteri deh.
Yeah, that's how
incorporating
we
of
keep
different
communications.
departments.
Yeah, he must be very proud.
Nah, ini ada di KL nih.
Aku pengen lagi.
Iya, jadi dia
Really go by.
muter-muterin KL gratis loh.
Amazing response is absolutely amazing down here at Dataran Putrajaya. And now
Bobo Boy.
the creative industry contingent.
Bobo Boy itu apa?
We have Agent Ali.
Agent Ali sama Didi and Friend.
Which is your favorite
Didi and
character
Friend.
right now?
Ya, Didi and
I
Friend.
love Didi and Friends.
Didi and Friends.
Yes, I love Didi and Friends. I
Didi
work with
and
one of the
Friends.
co-writers of the
Yeah.
songs.
Anakku selalu nonton itu loh.
You know, I know it well.
Didi and Friend, Bobo Boy, Agent Ali.
I actually watch a lot of Didi and Friends because of my niece and nephew as well. They're probably watching me at home right now. And Bobo Boy.
Ah, itu panas betul orang di dalam itu. Di dalam Didi and Friend itu.
Even adults can relate.
Yeah,
Mana Upin Ipin biasanya ada?
Agent Ali, I watch it even.
Amazing, amazing. As we move
Kontingen
to
suka
the
negara
next
nih, sport
national
ini.
contingent. This is actually one of our
Olahraga.
very new contingents as
siapa
well.
ini?
And yes, of course we have
Kalau udah selesai dia lewat udah
Minister
berhenti.
of Sport as well.
Resource Youth and Sports.
And right now, and of course, this is also Elena, one of our very new contingents. You see some of the kids there as well.
Anak-anak kecil juga.
How do you feel so far about the parade? Are you seeing some of your favorites?
Yeah, I
Wah.
think it's great. The atmosphere is so nice. I
Mobil
think at one point I
klasik.
actually felt like tearing up. It's just so much joy. And, you know, you're gonna see.
Proton
people
ini.
usually work
Iya,
behind the
Proton,
scenes
Proton
or,
klasik ya.
You know, not from our industry.
Proton pertama nih kayaknya, keluaran pertama.
Now we go back to the parade over here. We've got the BRB Highcom. They're displaying 44 assets on screen right now. 15 Proton cars, also 29 Moderna's cars. Now Proton, of
Modernas.
course, a pride of the nation because it was the first car produced by our by Malaysia, founded in 1983.
Kayaknya itu
May
mobil
7. And of
Proton
course,
seri
that's
pertama
what
deh.
came along with in 1993, but Proton being the first in the country.
Yes,
Wah,
and
mobil
right now
listriknya.
as we move to an addition to the Proton cars that Daryl just mentioned, we also have the new EMAS as an initiative of sustainability and environmental friendly approach of
Punya
Malaysia
EMAS ini dia,
into
Proton.
electric
Bukan
vehicles,
Proton EMAS.
very own of Proton.
Nah, itu J6 itu, Cherry.
One of Proton classic car that
Nah,
you
Cherry.
witnessed.
Ini Cherry J6 nih.
King of Malaysia driving in with the Proton Satria Neo earlier as well. And this is actually highlighting some of the electric vehicle assets that Proton has
Dimas itu kayak ini, kayak beat body.
Besides the Proton tools, you notice a bunch of these
Wah, ini
Malaysian
MG
brands.
Motors nih.
And while they may not be Malaysian brands, they are cars that are assembled in our country, and that is why we're highlighting this, because this shows Malaysia's
BMW.
competitiveness in the EV assembly line globally.
Truly. So some of these brands of cars are maybe familiar to you, but perhaps not many know that they were actually locally assembled.
Yeah, they're locally
And some of the parts were actually made here as well.
It really showcases the skills we have as a nation and as a people moving forward into the future, trying to reach again
Iya, semuanya
these
turun.
that sustainability theme.
Truly, and as we move to our
Kira yang mobil itu udah terakhir ya? Ternyata ada yang jalan juga.
what you just witnessed earlier on the screen below.
Yang mana?
Kira-kira yang mobil tadi itu terakhir. Ternyata tadi kan ada yang jalan lagi di belakangnya itu kan.
Kajian perkhidmatan awam. Kesejahteraan kontingen.
Members involving 30 ministries and government departments
Yeah.
represented by civil servants of diverse backgrounds, communities and sectors, including persons with disabilities,
Oh, disabilitas juga.
pharmacists, wildlife rangers, and
Wildlife
each according
rangers.
to their respective fields of duty in support of the Public Service Reform Agency. We're truly honored to have them grace us with the
Yeah,
parade.
be part of the parade this year.
Parade.
I mean, just look
Wih.
at that coordination, folks.
Kontingen Kementerian
Now moving on to
Perdagangan Dalam Negeri dan Kosara Hidup Dalam Negeri. Kementerian Dalam Negeri.
Domestic Trade and Cost of Living, KPDN contingent, which consists of 206 personnel over here. They're, of course, around to enforce price control, protect consumer rights, safeguard intellectual property, and also prevent the misuse of subsidized goods. So they really do look out for the rakyat in their own way.
Tapi untung nggak panas banget ya.
KPDN as well.
Cuacanya bagus.
Nah, itu udah mulai.
Dari pagi sudah. Oh, ini Civil Defense Force Malaysia.
Led by Drum Major Defense Sergeant Major Teo Muhammad Hafiz, of course, starting with the APM band, and of course at the back
APM band.
we have followed by the Civil Defense Force Malaysia.
Civil Defense Force Malaysia.
265 people, members.
Kayak ini, civil defense tuh kayak
The Royal Box as they
apa di Indonesia ya? Civil
Parade, amazing to see
kayak
this.
Satpol PP. Civil defense.
Very important for parades, ladies and gentlemen, because not only does it create that fanfare and that excitement in the air, but it also keeps everybody in check and in line as they march to the beat.
Truly, and we have more of the civil defense.
ada itunya juga.
Oh my goodness, sorry to interrupt you there,
Yes.
Irene.
Your
but
favorite
one of my
asset,
favorite
Darrell.
assets. They're not wearing socks today, which means the floor is cool.
Anjing.
But I mean, just look at how cute he is. He was a bit
Dia,
afraid of the
dia untuk
sirens, but can you
mendeteksi
blame him?
anjingnya.
It's adorable, and yes, again, once again, some of the civil
Kayak Satpol
defense
PP.
forces
kok
have
ada?
witnessed the light
Iya.
rescue vehicle, the
Civil defense
rescue
ini.
vehicle Raptor as well, and some of the mascots from the Civil Defense Force Malaysia. Now, with the slogan of ready, swift, and with integrity, APM stands
Civil
prepared to
defense-nya
carry
keren,
out
Malaysia.
duty in disaster response in line with the
Kecil.
latest technological
Tuh, kayak
developments that they are showcasing
SAR
right now
kayak gitu.
to you.
It's nice to see a bit of a difference with
SAR, Satpol PP, kayaknya dia langsung nanya,
Oh,
woi kucing. Ada yang jealous kayak karena jalan kaki.
Yes, we truly are. That we couldn't be a part of this. I would love to be aside to the foyer and just pet him
Yeah,
while he
right.
watches through the parade. Amazing response down here to Putrajaya.
Now we're going to be moving on to the People Volunteer Corps,
Volunteer Corps.
commonly known as RELA. Now I'm a big fan of RELA because they are
RELA.
very, very reliable when when it comes
I
to
saw what you
organizing
said.
events. Yeah, give a bit of a dad joke for you there, guys, for those of you watching from home.
And of course, we know Rela is actually more of, I would say, they are versatile.
Siapa lah ini guys ya? Aku nggak tahu guys.
They are everywhere.
Orang penting
I've
tuh.
seen them at weddings. I've seen them at Churamas.
Iya,
and
belum sih.
anywhere
Iya,
where
maksudnya
we
penting banget
organization
itu kayaknya.
can help, they are there.
Truly. And of course, this is the contingent of the Malaysian Volunteer Corps Department, Rela, once again, 207 members, and also showcasing some of
Rela
our
itu
traditional
volunteer,
Malaysian outfit and
apa tadi?
their uniforms, as well as they will be assigned a different task along the way. Now with the theme Rela Evolution, this is actually led by Deputy Commissioner of Rela, Muhammad Rosdin bin Dami.
That's right. Followed by their Setia Perwira
Setia
Band.
Perwira
This is
Band.
from the Immigration Department
Oh.
of Malaysia.
Imigrasi.
60 packs strong, ladies and gents.
Imigrasi maksudnya.
Amazing.
Semuanya kayaknya.
Setia Perwira Band
Semua
that
departemen.
also showcases as well. But this is actually they also placed the second in a marching band competition by the Ministry of Home Affairs recently, which is led by Drawn Major Immigration Officer Muhammad Omar Hakim.
Oh iya, ini kayaknya ininya apa? Pimpinannya, ketuanya. Iya iya.
Dia udah lewat tuh, dia udah.
Iya iya. Ketuanya ya. Menterinya mungkin.
Yang bagian ngurusin
Ya.
itunya. Pimpinan.
All right. Great stuff from the band there.
Yeah, of course, we love seeing the bands before the actual parade contingent.
I really do. I mean, some of the instruments, I like how they've really polished it up for the parade. I mean, if there's ever a time to show off, it would be now. And showing off on screen right now, ladies and
Wah,
gents, we
ini
have our
rapi
Immigration
juga.
Department of Malaysia contingent. It's got 207 people. All right, 207 people out there.
207 orang ikut.
And of course, in their different uniforms, because they're from different departments.
Dari
From
imigrasi
immigration,
dari.
of course, the immigration doesn't just stamp your passports when you arrive at the port.
That's
They
just
also
one of
have
the
Imigrasi
one of the
yang
tasks.
tukang
They actually
nanya-nanya.
have so many other tasks, and you can see that through their uniforms
Pas masuk
and the
Malaysia.
different equipment that they're carrying out today.
Truly, and with the
Aku hampir itu nggak lolos itu di imigrasi.
led by Immigration Director Mr. Muhammad Anas.
Mau ngapain katanya ke Malaysia?
Like there
Terus
were
jalan-jalan.
Jalan-jalan.
comprising of senior immigration officers, immigration enforcement officers,
YouTuber aku kau bilang.
and even more
Kulihatin YouTube gitu. Oh iya iya iya.
Yang lainnya?
Right to see on screen.
Dia nggak percaya kalau aku mau jalan-jalan, kirain mau jadi TKW kali ya. TKI mau kerja.
Gampang mau
Iya tidak meyakinkan kalau aku mau holiday.
Also 207
Tampangku tampang pekerja, ini pekerja ilegal kayak.
Yes, and along with their assets as well under JPJ, and I think many of
JPJ.
you are probably familiar with some of these JPJ assets, but then you may be keeping a lookout or keeping an eye out
On the
when you're on the
streets,
streets,
yeah, when you're
when you're driving, possibly to avoid maybe.
Depending on which side of the law you're on, hopefully you're all on the good side of the law.
Oh,
okay?
JPJ ini kayak
And
polisi
looking out for them to protect
lalu lintas
our streets,
gitu
to make it a
kayaknya.
safer place.
Truly, now some of the
Yeah.
featured assets under JPJ is of course the motorcycles driven by the South
Yeah.
Union and various drivers' licenses,
Sorry,
enforcement
Huh?
reasons. Of course, our JPJ
And there you go.
the
Abang
Abang
JPJ
Sado
juga.
Wah, gede-gede betul.
He's giving us a little
Suka kamu
hashtag
dari
Abang
gitu
Sado
ya,
JPJ
besar-besar
as well.
badannya.
So
I like
have
that
taking a
placard.
video, make sure you
iyalah.
hashtag I love PMS.
And then
Jadi
hashtag Abang
cerah
Sado
pemandangan.
JPJ.
Nggak
Interesting,
suram.
very interesting theme this year.
JPJ
But as
ya
I mentioned
kayaknya,
earlier when I
JPJ
was
tuh
teasing this, that you're
kayak
going to see
yang
a lot of Abang Sados by
untuk
the
di
end of the
jalan
program.
raya gitu.
More Sado.
I'm going to let y'all decide at home which Abang Sado is most
Abang
Sado.
Sado.
Truly, and right now we actually have the
Abang Sado tuh
prisons
bodinya
department,
gede gitu, Sado kalau di sana
as
bahasa.
well, led by Inspector Azhar Afifi and assisted by
Kalau
Band
kita apa?
Sergeant Major,
Ster.
Prison Band Sergeant Major Syarisan, as well as their Malaysian Prisons Department contingent
Kekar ya, kekar.
206
Ster apa itu? Sado kalau di sana.
Superintendent Muhammad Nizan Abdullah. Now, what are they known for mainly, Daryl?
The Blazing prisons department? Well, yeah. So one of the things that they do is they try to give the inmates. I mean, everyone makes mistakes, okay, but they do try to give them sort of implement rehabilitation programs.
Like
Try to give
corrective
them
service and
yeah, exactly.
corrective service,
And
yeah.
give them a second chance in life, essentially.
So they're definitely committed to guiding individuals' well-being as well, just to ensure the well-being of our nation.
Yeah.
Nah, sudah mulai
Now
panas.
moving on to the Royal Malaysian Customs
Oh,
Department.
custom ini custom.
They are 50 personnel strong.
Custom ya, kalau masuk bandara
We have the Royal Malaysian
Ada customnya.
by the Royal Malaysian
Apa ya customnya custom? Kalau bahasa Indonesianya apa ya?
A total of 208
Custom
people
juga bahasa
led by
Indonesianya.
Assistant Director of Customs, Mr. Muhammad Farul bin Ahmad. With the strength of 208 personnel, once again, are fully equipped with various types of firearms. Amazing to see their equipment and those that you
Bea
mentioned
cukai
as
custom ni.
well. And
Iya, bea cukai.
Ya.
some of our senior customs officers, customs
Senior
officers,
custom.
WK1, officers from the passenger inspection, enforcement operations, and marine and narcotics division as well. Oh,
Ya,
wow,
narkotik
we have
One of my
narkotik
favorites
divisi.
again. One of
Divisi
the animal
narkotika.
assets, alright. There's 10. They're displaying 10 sniffer dogs
Nah,
here.
itu
The canine unit for
untuk
narcotics
nyari
and
narkoba
tobacco
tuh, nyari dadah itu,
detection. Now
dognya
there, the
itu.
socks are out, the shoes are out.
Ada dadah.
I think that's a Labrador,
Nyari
if I'm not
dadah.
mistaken.
Yep,
Ketawa ada yang bawa dadah
Oh,
tuh.
look at the little buddy. He's so happy marching through the parade.
Oh, boy.
And
Widih,
along with
sniper.
the Royal Malaysian Customs
Royal
Department
Malaysian
assets as well. Total of
Custom.
8 assets. Now, of
Oh,
course,
ini custom
they
yang di
are mainly
laut.
known as the economic army of the nation, driving economic growth, the collection of indirect taxes with the vision, excellence in customs service. Amazing to see some of your assets marching through the parade. A little showcase for us
Yeah,
as
I mean,
well.
I like the fact that they're posing so sternly.
Unit
because a lot of the
marinir,
kids that
wah
are
kan
present
marin
here
kan
today
custom
will be
di
witnessing this
Raja
for the first
Malaysia.
time.
Ini untuk
And
yang di
hopefully it
laut,
inspires
bea
them to
cukai di
want to
laut.
join some of these bodies in the
Custom.
future. A lot of the times as kids, all we see is the army or the air force, but we forget that there's so many different types of bodies in Malaysia that really can inspire and protect our
Apa ini?
Yeah,
country.
that's exactly it. This is a place where we can
Kontinen,
learn
Yeah.
as to
apa
well.
itu,
And
Mbak?
what you
Kelihatan
see on
jabatan
the
apa
screen,
tuh?
right now we have the Department of
Oh, Departemen Chemistry Malaysia.
a scientific agency
Apa,
under the
kimia,
Ministry of
kimia.
Science, Technology,
Sains.
Innovation,
Bukan.
led by
Bukan
chemist,
sains, kimia.
Tuan Haji Muhammad Yazid bin Ibrahim, comprising of 60
Nggak ada.
chemists.
Ada kayaknya.
as well.
Ada,
They
cuma
know
aku nggak
with
tahu.
expertise in, of course, forensic, environmental, and chemical safety
Chemical.
analysis.
And over here on your
Yeah,
screen,
itu.
that's
Ah,
their
berarti.
mobile
Bukan.
lab.
Itu
One of their
gas.
assets that they're showcasing this year.
di sini?
That's
Nggak
so
tahu aku
cool
kalau di
because
sini
they
apa.
can drive that lab anywhere on site should they need to perform their service or their act of service.
Yes, mainly actually especially designed to respond to disaster incidents or chemical threats. So it's a really good
Disaster
initiative that we
insiden
have,
dari
with which
chemical,
now we have
dari bahan-bahan
the
kimia,
Smart
mereka yang
Malaysia contingent,
turun tangan kalau ada
for
insiden
special
dari bahan-bahan
Malaysia
kimia kayak gitu.
Assistance and rescue
Meneliti
team.
juga.
It's also the nation's
Kayaknya kita nggak ada.
search and rescue
Masuk
team
ke
under
kedokteran deh.
That's right.
Kesehatan, iya.
Now we've got their assets. You can see their assets here on screen. We've got 6 assets. And they also
Bepom.
highlighting 12
Bukan,
personnel
Bepom
from
lebih ke
their
makanan.
asset contingent.
Mereka
These are some
khusus
UTVs
chemical.
you can see on your
Ada yang
screen, followed by
skincare yang
lorry container.
badan.
Oh ya, Bepom ya, mungkin Bepom juga ya. Ya Bepom ya.
Yeah, a lot of the assets that we're going to be seeing today, for me personally as well, it's going to be first time for a lot of us witnessing these assets, not knowing that Malaysia actually had.
We never knew that they
Yeah.
actually possess this kind of high-tech equipment as well. It's
Exactly.
really amazing to see them bringing us this equipment, showcasing to us in the parade.
That's right, and if you turn your focus back to the screens right now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Jambatan Bomba, the Fire and Rescue Department of Malaysia.
Fire
This is their
Rescue
van,
Bomba.
a 60-man strong van, along with the
Pemadam
contingent
kebakaran.
as well. They've got about 207
Cuman dia
people.
pemadam kebakarannya
It's
mencakup
like
banyak loh,
movement.
nggak pemadam
Here we
kebakaran
already
aja
have
bomba
the
itu.
fancy Abasado,
Banyak di sana
the
kayak
Abba Bomba.
ada
Alright, your time will come,
apanya
ladies and
gitu,
gents. Just
apanya
give it a
gitu.
second.
kayak di sini nggak cuma pemadam kebakaran aja yang dituin kan. Ya nggak sih kayak misalkan
Iya.
ada kepala anak,
Ada kucing.
masuk, iya ke situ kan nggak bisa ya
Domba,
kayak yang
ya.
susah-susah untuk pertolongan.
Happiness like looking at our abang
Extra enthusiasm in the flag waving there.
in the flag.
Tapi bomba di Malaysia lebih
Joining
besar.
us now earlier, you actually witnessed some of the one of the canine
Lebih terkenal gitu.
units, I believe,
Lebih besar itunya, departemen
the animal asset
daripada Indonesia
dog,
kayak gitu.
part of fire and rescue department of Malaysia. Now you actually witnessed some of their I would say costumes and their uniforms of their bodies. They actually represent different tasks.
Ada
and
cewek juga ya,
duties and
cewek masih
missions
kecil
that
tadi.
we have to
There, abang belanja, abang Sado belanja sikit tadi ya guys.
Are you feeling intimidated out there?
I don't think I'll ever be able to reach that level, so no, not
Elena,
really
how do you
intimidated,
feel
but
about our Abang Sado up at the fire and rescue department?
Well, I think it's something that really brought the nation together at some point, and then, every year after that. But it's really nice seeing all the kakak there as well.
yeah, it's nice to see that we can do that this year as well.
The combination of us coming together. So far, what is your favorite thing about the parade? Do you have a favorite contingent?
Yang di atas itu kekar.
Iya kan itu untuk di show kan, diperlihatkan harus yang bagus lah padarnya. Masa yang kurus-kurus taruh di atas ya nggak bagus lah.
Berarti kamu nggak ya, berarti kamu tuh di bawah.
Iya di bawah paling jadi driver yang
Tutup.
kalau yang bagus-bagus ya ditunjukin lah.
Well, as we move to our next contingent under national security, the first band that you're witnessing is actually the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement
Maritim
Agency,
ini.
led by Lieutenant Maritime Muhammad Amirul bin Abdullah, assisted by Warrant 1 Maritime Officer Abu Bakar, and Drum Major leading Seaman Maritime Rahmat.
Berarti bawa itu semua mereka, bawa alat musiknya semua. Terus bawa alat-alat aset-asetnya semua tuh, ya, kayak tadi bawa aset-asetnya, mobil-mobil pemadam kebakaran.
This is their contingent, 310 packs, proudly marching there, representing their contingent, and more so than that, displaying their patriotism.
Ini bawa
Being
harus panjang semua.
on the 31st of August just means something completely different.
Truly, and it's actually led by Maritime Commander Muhammad Khairul Azhar as well, with 399 male and female
Masih belakang.
enforcement personnel.
Wah, ini
And
aset-asetnya
also
maritim.
assets, under the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement
Maritim
Agency.
Malaysia.
Yep, they've got 5 assets that they're displaying along with 30 people as well. Some of the assets that you can see on your screen, ladies and gents, are some boats. They've got boat Bentang, airboat as well, and also a mobile surveillance unit, MSU.
Yeah, apparently they're actually very equipped with the radar
seram
surveillance
betul.
system,
Bang ini.
both showcasing land and sea assets as well. Some of the mobile surveillance unit as well as the four-wheel drive vehicle, which is able to operate across all types of terrain and weather conditions.
Bisa
under the
darat,
Malaysian
bisa di laut
Maritime
juga itu.
Enforcement Agency.
Yep,
Wah,
now moving
kuda
on
nih.
to the mounted unit, the Royal Malaysia Police or
Oh, Royal
PRM,
Malaysia Police.
mounted units. The cavalry have arrived, ladies and gentlemen. And look, the horse giving us a bit
They're
of a
all
nod.
nodding their heads and joy.
I don't know if they're nodding their heads or bobbing their heads to the music, or one of the two. Either way, we're proud to have them here with us today.
Keren ya,
Either way, they look
kalau bawa
happy,
kuda
that's
gitu ya.
Like their little hats that they've got on, that covers their ears.
Wah ini sudah terlatih banget itu.
Makanya kan sampingnya itu dibantu, ya nggak sih?
Nggak, kudanya nggak takut gitu loh. Biasanya kan kuda tuh takut kalau ada rame tuh ngamuk dia.
Iya, dia langsung
Iya ini memang kuda yang terlatih banget itu. Sama akak itu juga terlatih membawa kuda, menunggangi kuda.
bukan akak juga kan. Tadi kan ada yang akak yang lainnya yang cowok itu kan kamu kok nggak
Polis
pakai
di Raja,
akak?
ini baru polis nih, baru polis di Raja Malaysia
Starting off
nih.
with the placard barriers and the Malaysian flag and PDRM flag bearers as well.
Yes, a total of 25 people there following the Royal Malaysia Police Central Band, PRM's own band, led by Fazila bin Muhammad Noor and Drum Major Corporal Muhammad Farul Reza bin Ramlan.
You know, I absolutely love all the different uniforms that we're seeing today. Even within one body, like even within PDRM, they've got so many different types of uniform. Very, very nice to see on display.
Polisi.
Your kids, you're going to be creating some core memories with them right now.
Yes, and of course, we're back bringing you the updates of today's National Day Parade 2025 here at Dharma Putrajaya. I love the response that we actually garnered here.
Yang di tempat
as
itu
well.
juga,
Now we are actually looking at the
apa,
operational
kalau
attire
ada puasa gitu,
budget,
yang
which
jualan ini
comprises
banyak
of
di sana.
general duties operations, the Marine Police,
Bazar.
the Air Operations Force, Federal Reserve Unit, Light Strike Force, and along with other commando
Police.
operations as well.
Keren betul.
And now,
Dogi-doginya itu warna
we're going to
putih
the
dia.
animal assets, the canine unit, with 16 handlers and there's 16 puppies. I want to call them puppies. They're not really puppies, but I always call them puppies. I mean, they're
We would
all...
love to call dogs puppies.
Yeah, no
all the
matter
time.
how
We want
old
them
they
to say
are.
small,
Papis,
small,
gede kayak
forever.
gitu papis.
True. And these are actually more of the Royal Malaysia Police, PDRM assets as well, led by the Honourable Deputy Commissioner, Dato' Sri Muhammad
Cewek.
Yusri bin Haji Hassan Basri, the Director of the Traffic Investigation and Enforcement Department from PDRM.
Betul
Now, I think
motornya.
some of these vehicles may be familiar, may not be familiar.
Hopefully they're not
to you.
so familiar
Apa
to
itu?
some of our
Oh,
viewers.
bus.
But you
Tapi
definitely
kok
see
ada
that
di
on our
atasnya?
streets, keeping us all safe on the ground.
Oh, tuh nembak di atasnya.
Iya.
Kalau ada kerusuhan gitu ya.
Tuh, berjalan-jalan dari atas.
Iya.
Once again, for different missions, different tasks
Wih,
that are
Civic.
assigned to them.
Mobil polisinya.
Familiar cars, along with the JPJ cars that we saw earlier. This is probably one that you also keep a lookout for on the
Definitely.
streets.
By the way, I just want to highlight, guys, the view that you're getting right now,
Wah,
especially right now, is
POV-nya
from the
keren.
POV cam. This is what me and Erin were talking about earlier, how this parade is a bit more special. We've got POV cameras stationed on some of the assets. We've also got the spider cam that's flying
spider cam
through
juga keren.
the sky, giving you aerial views of the parade. And just look at that sea of jungle gorilla just being waved, the Malaysian flag being waved in the background. I absolutely love the parades right now.
Yes, and these are some of
Ini
the
baru sedikit ini yang disowi lagi ditunjukkan.
Itu udah beraneka-ragam loh.
Like the experience of these officers being on their assets. How does it feel like? How
Apa
does
itu?
it look? We are here to give you all the
Apa ini?
360 view as well. And right now we're showcasing more of the armored
Apa itu?
tech that is owned and possessed by the, I believe, the Royal Malaysian
CBRNE. Apa itu ya? Kayaknya tank otomatis itu. Enggak, maksudnya tank otomatis gitu.
We've got the Puzira 2 band now on your screens, gents, ladies and gents.
Kayaknya kalau ada
They
bom-bom
are 36 men strong.
Yes, and we also want to showcase.
Tentara aja belum keluar tentara ini apa ya? Bukan. Iya, tentara nih.
Have the Malaysian Armed Forces
Oh iya nih. Armed Force. Iya nih, TNI-nya mereka. Navy juga. Nah iya, baru ini tentara semua. Tentara darat, laut, udara bergabung.
Once again, you notice the Royal Malaysian Navy Volunteer Reserve Force and the Royal Malaysian Air Force Volunteer Reserve Force. Yes,
Gagah-gagah semua ini. Tentara
We've got the
ini.
ladies brass band, Semboyan Diraja.
Semboyan
This is a band
Diraja.
that is comprises totally full of just female band members. Amazing to see them join us this year.
Yep, a total of 39 women actually.
39 women
Followed by, of
ikut.
course, the combined women's contingent of the Malaysian Armed Forces.
Yes.
A total of 207 members marching comprising of 3 officers, 206 personnel, a segregate representing the 3 branches of service, the Army, Navy, and the Air Force, also led by Lieutenant Colonel
Darat, laut, udara ikut semua.
Also all females. Just want to highlight that once again, ladies and gents. It's great to see that they've got their the ladies are getting their fair share of representation in our parade this year. And on your screens right now is Fuzida 3. Once again, Fuzida was the training band or the band training school for the Army. That's the one. Yeah. These guys have got international recognition, by the way, as a music school for the military. They even trained in 2015. They trained the military band for Timor-Leste.
And we also have what you see on screens right now, ladies and gents, the United Nations Mission Contingent, a total of 207 personnel as well.
Bawa senjata semua. Itu pasti kosong itu, nggak mungkin ada isinya. Ngeri juga.
Siapa tahu ada isinya.
Di hadapan raja. Keselamatan raja sama perdana menteri nggak mungkin di load. Paling semua kosong gitu. Bahaya.
Comprising of the personnel of the Malaysian Army, Royal Malaysian Navy, and Royal Malaysian Air Force, as well along with civilian officers from the Ministry of Defence.
Those people truly deserve all Malaysia's respect. And now moving on to our next band, this is the Royal Malaysian Air Force, TUDM. This is their band right now on screen, ladies and gents.
Sampai ujung. Udah kalau
Royal
sudah.
Malaysian Air Force
Nonton lah.
of course, we
Oh, yang
have
tadi yang di
the,
pinggir
it's actually
kali ya?
led by
Yang kan masih panjang di belakang dia.
207 personnel led by Lieutenant Colonel Asrul Faisal.
Widih.
And the contingent
Rapi betul ini. Kalau tentara tuh pasti rapi banget.
Warrant Officer 1
Air Force ini.
Hidayat. And of course, they are bearing the motto, always in the airspace. Now, of course, one thing to also highlight, another approach from the Royal Malaysian
Udara.
Air Force is the air show that we will be having.
Oh, ada air
towards
show.
the
Nanti
end
ada
of our National Day Parade today. I think a lot of them, a
Pesawat-pesawat.
lot of you will be awaiting for
Now,
that.
before we turn our eyes
itu?
to the
Roket.
sky, though, if you look on your screens right now, you'll see the assets from the Air Force. We've got
Bom. Oh,
a
MK
rapid,
berapa itu?
3 trailer
Bom
missiles, and also a rapid rover, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, and of course they have all those the Starstreak missile carrier vehicle.
Misil.
As well, I believe an
Carrier.
air defense vehicle
Oh,
capable of
pengangkut
providing
misil.
a low-level air defense against enemy aerial threats at an effective range of up to 7,000 meters.
Again, Irene,
So the
you know,
high-tech tech I'm telling you about.
It's nice to know that we have these things, even though we are
jangkauan.
a peaceful nation and we never promote violence. But it's nice to know that if anything were to happen, we do have the assets to protect ourselves.
We are well prepared, and just also to share with you what's going on in the background right now, our Malaysian Army taking their positions to showcase their assets, their uniforms, their contingent as they march across today's National Day Parade 2025.
Kenapa nggak dijalanin aja tanknya? Oh, nggak bisa jalan di itu.
I don't know if you can see, but just over
Kan dia
there,
rodanya beda.
that's also some of the personnel
Bisa
that
jalan situ, cuman takut
exclusively
rusak.
Hide it for
highlighting
you
this.
right now.
Yeah. Cover thine eyes. Children, look away, children.
All right, let's move back to our National Day Parade today as we head to our Royal Malaysian and Navy contingent led by Commander Abil Ashraf, and they are actually from Lumut, Perak, and with their motto, ready for sacrifice. Actually, all our Malaysian Army, our Malaysian national security bodies are always ready for
All
sacrifice.
our armed forces
Yes.
personnel.
Rapi betul ya.
I think they've been doing a great job, not just
Sudah
terlatih.
but also abroad, ensuring that peace
Misil
trying
tuh.
to
Ah kan?
peace.
Iya, yang di atas pasti bagus-bagus badannya.
Biar semua salah fokus.
Iya, misil exhaust.
Biar terlihat.
Iya, biar terlihat. Biar orang fokus ke sana gitu kan. Apalagi cewek-cewek.
So we've got some high-end military watercraft here.
Very nice to see. And right now on screens you have the combined brass band of the 1st Battalion Royal Malay Regiment and the 1st Battalion Royal
Kalau yang
Malay Regiment
kurus-kurus
of
taruh di sana tadi nggak cocok ya, nggak masuk.
Army contingent.
my father is watching right now, but he was part of the Ranger Corps, so this would be a proud moment for him. He's of course retired, but this would be a nice feeling to have your Ranger Corps represented on TV.
Amazing, and as we have the hybrid army contingent as well, a combination
Lihat itu pakai itu apa?
Penyamar itu
Iya,
yang buat
samaran,
nyamar di
kamuflase.
hybrid army that will be
Tapi yang mirip ya, kalau orang
Di
di semak-semak gitu loh.
hutan.
Iya, di hutan kan.
Right, sorry, Darren, but if you're hearing some loud noises for those of you back at home, that's because a lot of the assets are moving right behind you. You can see them in the tank.
Nah, tuh tanknya tuh, jalan tanknya.
Terrain vehicles
Tuh.
are just running by us and they're quite loud.
Oh, amazing. Now we're back
Ini
with
kalau di hutan
our
itu
army contingent.
ngelihat itu kayak genderuwo. Iya.
Yes, exactly. A lot of these kids would see these as video game characters, but it's nice to see them IRL in real life.
And here we have some of the
Banyak
Malaysian
kuda.
armed, I believe, the ceremonial
Nah,
horses that we
kuda satu
have
itu.
a bit of action there.
That's
Apa ngamuk dia kuda itu.
Showing off a little bit there.
We're happy he
Karena
did.
dia berisik, kuda itu kan
We're happy he
sensitif.
did show up a little. And as we move next to some of our military police
Kayak mana itu tadi nasibnya?
assets, as they are showcasing
Sudah
on
terlatih
screens
tuh
right
kuda
now
polisi.
some hybrid army assets as part of
Hybrid
this
army
featuring
asset.
some BMW motorcycles that you have just
Mercy.
witnessed, terrain vehicles, some wagons as well, and rapid ranger vehicles, light powered repair vehicles, and some of these names that we've not even heard of. But it's amazing to see this these equipments, these machineries. What are they comprising of, or what is truly about as well for this parade?
We're just going to give you a second,
Wih, ini keren ini.
to truly
ATV,
marvel
ATV.
at the
Apa?
spectacle on your screen.
ATV, ya ATV.
This is truly Malaysia at its best, you know. I mean, every Malaysian watching this right now, it's kind of hard not to feel proud for your country. You know, it's. I mean, oh, look at that sight with the Jalur Gemilang and our assets from the military. Amazing. What an
And their
inspiring display.
uniforms, how their camouflage, their strategy, movements. It's truly amazing to witness them in action, and at least we get the opportunity to see them here in this parade. Elena, how are you feeling so far about our parade this year?
Oh, it's really amazing.
Nah, ini.
Especially seeing all
Badannya
the
gede-gede lagi
military
tuh.
tanks and
Wah,
vehicles
gede banget
out
ini
front.
badannya tentara
Oh,
tuh ini.
some Abang Sado here for you.
This is
Abang
why I
Sado.
was telling the kids to cover their eyes because I mean we've seen a bunch of
Abang
Abang
Kekar.
Sados all day, but this one they really are just showing off. I mean, come on, guys.
They're here to
Oh, memang
be,
dia-
run viral on social
Biar
media.
terlihat.
Iya tuh, lihat.
Ya,
Dia
kalau
pose
kecil-
pose juga tuh.
Kalau
Oh.
kecil kan nggak terlihat, kayak kamu gitu nggak bakal terlihat.
Dia berpose juga masalahnya.
Antara ada dan tiada.
Feeling intimidated, yes, as a gym buff, but as a Malaysian, I feel proud because I would want them to be the ones protecting us.
Actually, just to share with you guys, taking part of these 26 bodybuilders from the Malaysian Armed Forces Bodybuilding Association, they are actually part of a Mr. Asia champion. And
Mr.
also
Asia
the
champion.
57 Asian and 19
Juga.
Southeast Asia Championships.
Itu tadi ada yang
I like how you know that, Arin.
champion Mr. Asia bodybuilder juga ternyata.
And we had
Oh, itu.
actually the
Iya,
brass
juara
band of the
Mr. Asia.
combined
Tentara itu
parachute
tadi.
brigade right now here on your screens. A total of 55 members, followed by the 10th parachute brigade contingent, also known as the rapid deployment
Kamuflase
force
tadi.
led by Lieutenant.
Iya tuh, nah itu. Kalau di hutan malam-malam dikira orang genderuwo.
Back in 1993.
Kok deketin aja
It's
serem.
actually not just in land, it's actually everywhere. They are based in land, sea, in air, everywhere.
Wherever the country needs them, they are willing to go without no questions asked.
National Safety Contingent.
Yeah, with their model swift in action, that is how I see them as well.
And now we've got some of their assets on your screen.
And I believe these are some of the assets that we showed to you guys earlier in the background.
Yes.
As
The ones that
well.
were making all the big noises.
Barakuda.
The loud noises, rather.
Bukan tank.
The 10th Brigade Assets Para and the movement of assets of 4 Brigade Mechanized along with some of their vehicles. Yes, there we go. The
Yeah.
Nah, yang tank kecil tapi bukan tank kelas berat. Makanya dia bisa jalan di sini. Kalau yang kelas berat itu hancur nanti
How's
ininya.
your experience?
Jalanannya.
Do you actually have a memory of
Wah, ini POV.
Okay, so the POV that you're seeing on your camera right now, that is exactly the memory I have. My dad put me on top of the tank right
So
there.
this was your point of view.
Males betul pas di dalam tank itu ya.
As a kid,
Ada
you
AC-nya
know
nggak ya?
what I mean? You know what it's like. You only play with
Tahu,
tanks as
belum
toys,
masuk
but to actually go inside one and
Harus
sit
banget
on top
itu
of
pasti.
one was just really. I mean, it's etched in my memory till now.
Yes, this is
Kan
what
ketutup
I
kalau
hear
perang
when
betulan
we
tuh kan.
bring
Ketutup
to you
semua.
right here, the Insta360 camera that has
Panas
been
banget itu.
attached to
Belum
the vehicle to give you
mesinnya
a
juga
little
kan.
point of view
Panas
of what it's
mesin.
like being
Kayaknya nggak ada AC
one of
deh.
these high
tapi
intelligence
pengap
officers
banget kalau nggak ada
as
AC.
well, part
Ya
of
iyalah.
our army.
Di zaman dulu.
Shot right there, if I'm saying.
Nggak ada AC.
And you can even see right in front of you there. There's the little robot.
Ada
That's
tahu
also one of the.
zaman dulu kapan?
Zaman dulu-dulu, Perang Dunia Kedua, itu kan sudah pakai tank.
The little robocam that's following along with the tank. So that gives you
Ada
the
nggak ya guys ya
opposite
itunya
view.
guys apa namanya
This one I think is
airconnya di
from our
dalam.
spider cam. So we're getting lots
Kalau
and lots of different
tank-tank
angles
baru
today
mungkin
to
ada
give you a
aircon,
really
nggak
immersive
tahu lah ya.
experience.
Belum pernah aku
But,
masuk
of course,
tank.
Arin, if you really want the full-on immersive experience, go and download RTM Click
kayak gitu tuh POV.
and go and join us via virtually using your virtual goggles.
Yes, amazing to see all of these contingents as well as they move across. And we have right now using our screens is actually the Central Band of the Royal Army Corps, KAD, a total of 51 members,
Royal
and
Army
followed by
Corps.
the Malaysian Armed Forces Special Forces Contingent.
Special Forces
a
ini.
total of
Oh, ini pasukan khusus.
203 personnel consisting of the 21st Special Service
Kayak
Group, the Naval
Kopassus gitu.
Special Forces, and the Air
yang
Special
terbentuk secara
Forces.
khusus.
Yeah.
You may hear of the, I would say, abbreviations, the Pascal,
That's right.
the Pascal. I think
Pascal,
you're
ya,
familiar
namanya,
with these
Pascal.
terms already.
Made famous also by
Kita
the recent
Kopassus.
movie that we had as well, okay? Now, ladies and gents, behind the uniforms and the banners are months of training and teamwork. I mean, like Aaron mentioned, these are a bunch of different armed forces corps that are coming together to
Ini
work
nggak dia kurus-kurus.
as one.
Enggak tuh
for our
gede-gede
nation.
ya. Kamu nggak
And,
lihat
of course,
di
some
zoomnya
of
tadi.
the assets,
Gede itu badannya, yang bagus-bagus
you guys,
itu.
the
Cuman dia kan nggak pakai
Special
lengan
Forces,
pendek, dia pakai lengan panjang. Kalau
assets.
lengan pendek
And,
kelihatan
right now,
bagus-bagus.
actually, we will be moving on to a special bagpipe performance by our Malaysian
Bagpipe.
Army, a combination of 130 Malaysian armed forces led by
Kayak
Lieutenant
alat musik
Colonel
orang
Badli Hisham bin Muhammad
Islandia.
Judah. And they will be giving an incredible
Bagpipe.
performance to us.
That's right. And if you're wondering why we have bagpipes in our army, it's because it's a nod to the Scottish.
Scottish,
the
yeah,
British that actually
Scottish.
trained our army in
Oh,
the start.
warisan
And,
British
let's,
dulu
let's
ya.
throw it back to on your screens
Pantesan
and enjoy this
kayak
performance,
Skotlandia.
ladies and gentlemen.
Bagpipe itu kan khas sana, asli sana, asli Scotland. Kalau orang Scotland, kamu tau nggak yang dia pakai bagpipe terus dia pakai rock itu, cowok-cowoknya itu Scotland itu, ini warisan dari sana. Ini bagpipe versi Melayu. Keren betul yang megang
Ada itu.
bikin koreonya.
Apa coba tulisan?
Untuk bendera jalur gemilang.
Merdeka.
Nah,
Itu tulisan merdeka.
oh tulisan orang ini yang oh iya merdeka. Iya merdeka. Kira yang itu
Itu rupanya ada pemandunya lah itu.
iya lah. Kan itu yang ngatur koordinasinya. Kalau nggak diatur ya kacau lah, dia nggak berbentuk nanti.
Tuh ada berapa? 1, 2, 3.
Keren. Ayo.
Aduan suara.
Masih. Backpipe versi Melayu ini, musiknya musik Melayu loh, tapi dia pakai backpipe, keren betul. Masih. Itu semangat betul itu yang main koreonya. Dari sekolahan itu kayaknya. Enak betul jadi raja ya. Dilahirkan tidak menjadi raja. Coba dilahirkan menjadi raja gue, enak betul pasti.
Tuh, pemandunya ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Iya, setiap baris.
Acara pemeriksaan dan merayakan Hari Kebangsaan diteruskan dengan pertunjukan udara
Pertunjukan
oleh
udara.
bersama-sama pejuang tentera udara di Raja Malaysia. Sama-sama kita saksikan pertunjukan udara yang akan diberikan oleh Kapten Said DUDM, Markas Tentera Udara, dan Sarjan Udara Wanita Suria,
Habis.
Markas Tentera
Tinggal udara lagi.
Call sign Kartun dan call sign Sunshine.
Menadah tangan memohon doa, berbumbungkan langit sebagai saksi, pergi kami demi negara, pulang kami belum pasti. Ampun Tuan. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, bagi memaparkan kebolehupayaan dan kesiapsiagaan kuasa udara,
Kami telah menggabungkan kemahiran dan kepakaran udara Angkatan Tentera Malaysia serta agensi-agensi keselamatan dan berkuasa-kuasaan Malaysia.
pesawat-pesawat udara yang akan dipersembahkan sebentar lagi adalah milik Tentera Udara
Jenderal
Malaysia,
Datuk Seri Haji
Tentera Darat Malaysia, Polis Diraja Malaysia, Jabatan Bomba dan Penyelamat Malaysia serta agensi penguatkuasaan maritim Malaysia.
Pada pagi ini, Putrajaya akan digegarkan dengan dentuman enjin dan aksi udara oleh pelbagai pesawat yang diterbangkan khusus untuk tangkapan seluruh rakyat Malaysia.
Penampilan khas sempena sambutan kemerdekaan ke-68.
Serem betul ya,
Kami
bawa jet
tampilkan
sendirian tu.
Yang berbahagia Jenderal Datuk Seri Haji Muhammad Nur Razlan bin Agin
Seram kalau kamu nggak bisa.
Aku takut ketinggian soalnya.
yang akan mengetuai segmen pertunjukan
Sudah lah.
pada hari ini.
Langsung keringat dingin dia.
Dan saya, Sarjan Udara Suria, komandan anda bagi segmen pertunjukan udara pada hari ini.
Pertunjukan udara pada hari ini akan dimulakan dengan membuka tirai pertunjukan udara. Bawakan pandangan anda ke arah hadapan pentas utama.
Pertunjukan udara pada hari ini dimulakan dengan peranan masuk pesawat pejuang Tentera Udara.
Tentera udara, pesawat pejuang tentara
Hadirin
udara.
sekalian, terimalah gerakan
Widih.
aerobatik.
Wow. Keren betul. Kalau itu sedikit itu bisa tabrakan di sini.
Kami bawakan kepada anda gabungan pegawai berjuang demi kebebasan dan pantas memusnah.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, alihkan perhatian ke sebelah kiri pentas utama.
kepada anda gabungan formasi pesawat helikopter milik ATM, bomba, polis dan
Bomba
maritim.
tadi.
Kini menghampiri pentas utama bergerak dengan kelajuan 96 km sejam pada ketinggian 213
Seram. Iya,
meter.
kalau takut ketinggian serem.
Diketuai oleh Lieutenant Colonel Farhan TUDM, didahului dengan pesawat milik tentera udara berwarna kelabu gelap, 4 buah pesawat EC-725 armed personnel AP.
Diikuti 3 buah pesawat AW139 milik tentera udara berwarna kelabu gelap.
Disusuli milik tentera laut berwarna kelabu gelap iaitu sebuah pesawat AW139
Tentara laut.
helikopter operasi aktif Home dan sebuah pesawat Superlink Mark 300.
Di belakang adalah milik tentera darat dengan mengenakan warna dan corak loreng digital tentera darat iaitu 2 buah pesawat MD-530 Gunship bersama 2 buah pesawat A109 Light Observation Helicopter.
Kemudiannya adalah pesawat berwarna putih, kuning dan merah iaitu milik bomba, sebuah pesawat AW109 Enhanced E.
Seterusnya pesawat berwarna putih, merah dan biru iaitu milik polis, sebuah pesawat AW139.
Diakhiri dengan sebuah pesawat milik maritim dengan mengenakan warna merah dan putih, pesawat AS-365M3 Dolphin.
Formasi Mega sebentar tadi terdiri daripada
Pesawat
16 buah pesawat
bom ini
helikopter
kayaknya.
yang telah diterbangkan dari Pangkalan Udara Subang terus ke Putrajaya khas untuk tontonan seluruh
Dari
rakyat
Subang ke Putrajaya.
Bawakan pandangan anda sekali lagi ke sebelah kiri pentas utama.
Iya, aku selalu
Kami bawakan
memandang
kepada anda
pesawatnya.
formasi pesawat angkut tactical Maritime Surveillance Aircraft MSA.
Di bawah
Angkutan
naungan
seorang
nombor 1 skuadron Pangkalan Udara Kuching. Inilah dia, the Guardian of the Malaysian Maritime Zone.
Formasi
ini kayak
ini dikepali
Hercules.
oleh Lieutenant Colonel Shazwan
Kayak pesawat
TUDM.
Hercules ini.
Hadirin sekalian, kembalikan pandangan anda ke kiri pentas utama.
Dengan gabungan 2 jenis pesawat terbesar milik TUDM, kami bawakan kepada anda formasi pesawat angkut strategik dan taktikal.
Meluncur dengan gagah pada kelajuan 756 km sejam di ketinggian 390 meter.
Di bawah naungan nombor 8 skuadron, nombor 14 skuadron dan nombor 20 skuadron Pangkalan Udara Subang dan Labuan, Malaysia. Airbus A400M Atlas, The Grizzly dan Lockheed
Namanya aja
C-130
Grizzly.
Hercules.
Sama Lockheed.
Formasi ini
Grizzly itu
diketuai
beruang.
oleh Major Farhan TUDM.
Besar soalnya.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, bawakan pandangan ke
Jet apa
kiri
ini?
pentas utama.
F
Kami
berapa ini?
tampilkan kepada anda kombinasi formasi pesawat pejuang TUDM kini bergerak dalam formasi Diamond meluncur dengan
Formasi
kelajuan
Diamond.
1000 km sejam di ketinggian
1000
300
km
meter
sejam.
bakal melintasi pentas utama.
Bernaung di bawah nombor 12 skuadron dan nombor 6 skuadron. Formasi pejuang ini diketuai oleh Yang Berbahagia
Itu formasi dia
Jenderal
ini.
Dato' Sri Haji Muhammad Nur Razlan
Itu dia
TUDM
formasi.
Kosan Jairo, Panglima Tentera Udara ke-21.
Seperti yang dipertontonkan, pesawatnya menyertai formasi ini adalah pesawat Sukhoi Su-30
Sukhoi.
NKM dengan gelaran
Toruk Makto. Pesawat pejuang 4.5 generation buatan Rusia ini adalah
Buatan
antara
Rusia.
pesawat tercanggih dalam infanteri TUDM.
Pesawat ini dilengkapi dengan 2 enjin transvectoring yang berupaya membolehkan pesawat ini menukar trajektori penerbangan dalam masa yang minima.
Dan telah diikuti rapat di belakang, kanan dan kiri ada pesawat Hawk Mark 208. Pesawat light combat aircraft buatan British ini berupaya melakukan misi close air support dan battlefield air interdiction. Sekali lagi kembali ke
Helikopter
pentas utama.
penyerang
Formasi gabungan pesawat helikopter dalam mass formation. Batal melintasi pentas utama bergerak dengan kelajuan 120 km
Itu harus
sejam
pas itu
pada
jaraknya itu.
ketinggian
Kalau nggak
200
pas
meter.
kena semua baling-baling.
Formasi ini didahului oleh pesawat EC-725 MP Tentera Udara. Peranan utama pesawat ini adalah Combat Search and
Combat.
Rescue Sisa.
Tentara udara.
Ya, untuk combat dia. Untuk perang.
Bakal mengiringi formasi di sebelah kiri anda. Pesawat AW139
Ya, betul ya, kalau perang.
Udara.
Tak keluar
Pesawat
semua.
ini
Sama-
berperanan
sama
sebagai
betul.
pesawat utility. Dan di sebelah kiri anda, pesawat AW139 helikopter operasi maritim Home dan Superlink Mark 300 dari Tentera Laut. Pesawat ini berperanan sebagai light observation dan anti-maritime warfare.
Diikuti di belakang pesawat MD-530G dan A109 Light Observation Helicopter milik Tentera Darat berperanan sebagai helikopter tempur ringan terhadap kenderaan perisai ringan dan trup infanteri serta melaksanakan tinjauan udara.
Dan diisuli dengan pesawat milik Agensi Penguasaan dan Penyelamat Malaysia, pesawat A109E milik bomba. Pesawat ini berupaya melakukan pemantauan udara, SAR dan medevac serta diguna pakai sebagai aset pengangkutan dan logistik.
Pesawat AW139 milik polis, pesawat ini berupaya melakukan pengawasan dan rondaan udara di kawasan pantai dan pendalaman terhadap kegiatan jenayah.
Dan pesawat AS365 Entry Dolphin milik Maritim. Pesawat ini berupaya melakukan penugasan kawalan maritim dan cari lamat maritim di zon maritim Malaysia dan lautan lepas.
Dengan menerbangkan cogan kata pasukan, cekal kami amalkan di mana dan apa saja gagal di angkasa, sedia berkorban, sedia berkhidmat, cepat dan mesra, serta God protect safe.
Itulah tadi lintas hormat pengenalan pesawat-pesawat kebanggaan negara. Hadirin sekalian, bagi menutup segmen udara pada pagi ini, anda akan digegarkan dengan aksi aerobatik oleh pesawat pejuang TUDM.
Dengan kuasa tujuan
Nggak
maksimal
meliuk-liuk lagi kan.
meluru
Wih, muntah kayak gitu. Kalau aku sudah mabok itu udah muntah pasti.
Turunin aja kalau udah pesawat dilempar sudah.
Protector of the theater, the flanker, dan the mud mover.
Mud mover.
Terimalah aksi aerobatik.
Wih, kayak gitu dia terbang. Kayak gini. Kalau aku sudah muntah itu sudah pingsan mungkin. Keren betul ya. Oh, bolak-balik. Wih, turun dia kayak gini.
Tetapi untuk melindungi kedaulatan tanah
lembut banget itu.
Kamilah Rider of the Last Shadow, the legacy of Haru Matau.
Dengan deruman enjin pesawat-pesawat pejuang yang mengujikan itu tadi, maka berakhirlah pertunjukan udara pada pagi ini. Teruskan menyokong dan mendoakan segala
Kalau kamu pasti sudah pingsan, nangis-nangis.
Tolong mau turun Sudahlah.
Iya pasti gitu. Tolong mau turun
Kamu pasti keringetin juga.
Sudah sampai terberak-berak.
Makanya aku nggak mau serempet. Tuh biar nyawa jadi taruhan.
Mantap, keren. Habis guys, keren. Indo. Keren karnivalnya ya. Karnival. Parade. Karnaval. Iya, parade bukan karnaval. Parade. Keren ya?
Keren.
Pertunjukan udaranya. Semua departemen datang semua, ramai sekali tadi.
Ramai sekali.
Tapi aku yang berkesannya adalah rajanya tadi.
Kenapa?
Dia pakai mobil Proton tadi loh. Dari sekian mobil, banyak mobil yang mahal-mahal.
Enggak sih, aku tuh lebih itunya dia bersusah mengendarai sendiri.
Iya, dia
Nggak
pilih
pakai
mobil Proton
driver
juga. Iya,
dia.
Keren banget, itu memberi contoh itu. Kalau ini loh, raja aja pakai Proton, masa kalian enggak? Raja aja nyetir sendiri ya tuh.
Itu dia.
Keren, padahal kaya betul itu.
Kayak banget ya.
Kaya banget itu Sultan Johor itu. Ya udahlah guys, kita lihat lagi nanti video-video yang menarik dari Malaysia ya. Jadi stay tune terus di Indorek TV dan selamat kemerdekaan Malaysia ya.
Kemerdekaan
Hari
Malaysia.
Merdeka. Semoga
Merdeka.
aman-aman terus dan semoga maju terus. Malaysia ya guys ya. Jadi untuk teman-teman yang belum subscribe dulu guys channel Indorek TV. Jangan lupa juga di like, di share, dibagikan video ini ke teman-teman kalian, ke sosial media kalian juga boleh. Mohon maaf kalau kami berdua ada salah-salah kata dan salah-salah ucap. Sampai ketemu lagi di video selanjutnya. Akhir kata, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.